Howdy, guess who's back? I've messed up. I've been in the garage at Powerburn. It's not open. So I've got an old bottle and I'll have to get some water. Bring his back. Bye. This morning, it's time to do Coombe Fell. I'm not going to lie, this is the third time of trying. Anxiety and weather have put a stop to it the last 3 times. So hopefully I get it on the day. Hopefully. Beautiful morning, a bit overcast, but we'll get it done. So Coombe Fell, number 4 in the cheviots, the top 10 highest. And by all the videos I've watched, it's the one no one brags about bagging. So we're going to do that in the day. Apparently it's just a bog on the top. Big flat top with a bog on. That. And the trees knocked down. Some force of nature, like, wasn't that storm more when you think about it? I don't know if you can hear, but there's some house in a lino up. The dogs are going crackers. I hope they haven't heard I'm coming past. Look at the ram horns on this. Look at that. Special. Just wondering. You hear all the pheasants in the background. There's absolutely hundreds of them. That's Christmas dinner sorted with all them pheasants. Wow. The larches, different colour. It's beautiful, isn't it? How lucky are we? We've just left outside, heading towards Lynn Hope, and then we're going to go that way on, skirt round Hedge Hope and up to Coombe Fell. Finding it hard to try and get them way, not actually crossing over the last 4 to do each other. That's the worst thing about this last 4, because they're in like a horseshoe. It would probably be better to do them as one. So I'm trying to just come in from different angles each time, get one done, and I can do horseshoes later on once my fitness gets back up. Yeah, I'm struggling at the minute walking on just roads. But if you didn't push it, well, hey, if you don't use it, you lose it. So I had to do it. It must take some force of nature to crack a guarded tree like that. That's got to be 12-13 inches in diameter. Just snapped straight off there, down there. And what's really a guarded area, you know what I mean? So the wind must have been fantastic. Devastating. And suck belly in. Speaking of storm Orwin, I'll tell you my tale of storm Orwin. I was in Gosforth on a job. I was on standby. And my Scottish boss, Lewis, phoned us and asked us if I could drive up to Eyemouth for a gas emergency. The lads in Scotland were spread out all over the north of Scotland, and the lad from Finland would have picked up all my standby. There's no pints in there. So I had to go up to Eyemouth. It wasn't too bad, windy, bit snow, dried up. But see, all up to Eyemouth. Took it probably about an hour and 40 minutes, hour 50 minutes like that. Pitch black by then. The storm had north starting to kick in. It was right on the coast of Eyemouth. Really been like taking off and was crashing down. And the outside box, I'm trying to change this gas gear to get the gas on. Really been just going bang out the pitch black. I'm trying to work by torchlight. Bang, it's just crap myself. In any case, got it done and I had to drive back down to the North Shields Valley. And it took us 4 hours to drive back. It was just that bad. Trucks just getting all on the A1. It's really bad. But got it done. And then went the next morning to see what I actually drove through, because driving back I was just basically full on trucks and there's snow tracks. So, oh man, look at that. Doesn't it make you feel good to be alive? Very. So that was my storm Orwin tale. Seems like everyone else was okay, welcome and stuff like that. Not me. Not me, mister. Right, so that way there takes you down to Linhope Snout. We're not gonna visit it. Sorry, just having a bit of a stop breather here to catch my breath. At the foot of Dunmore Hill. My head drops up there, but I need to be heading over. Head drops up there. I need to be heading over that way to come from. And it's not that one there with the cane on the top. Rock formation. Let's have a quick 5 minutes, catch my breath. Catch the sunrise. Bit of a panic attack then. I am so unfit. It's unreal. This is how bad I am fitness wise, man. It's a country track I'm marking up, really. It's not even that much of a gradient. And that looks more in real life than it is, yeah. When you think about it, I've only come from over there, where the sunbeams hit. And I'm wrecked. So if I can do it, you can do it. Right, hopefully you can. How beautiful that is, eh? I've gone a funny way when I think about it. bog here. That is for certain. That's the first look. Let's head up over there behind that lot. And it is so claggy. And I'm not even at the top yet. See all the water glistening all the way to the valley. I have to say, like, I'm not really getting this one today. I feel like the never-ending story when I'm dragging my horse across to see that tortoise.
Everyone knew that whoever let the sadness overtake him would sink into the swamp.
Who just doesn't care anymore. I'm getting chased by the nothing. Because if there's one thing more slippier than mud, it's steel, and it's like a steel trenchway thing. Just so I can get the tracks to go up on the hill. And that's slippier again. I've just got this last scramble to the top. Whoever invented false summits need to go kick up your horse, like. That is for sure. Quick up round. Oh. I think that's stand drop. It's stay drop, a stand drop. Behind that is Dunmore. Picking up from that corner is Job. I'm wrecked. So that's how waterlogged it is up here. Just relentless. I mean, loads of flat pitches, you just wouldn't pitch. You'd have to have the driest summer ever. Nearly there. Just sitting on this rock, give my legs a bit of a breather. And chill out. Just in case there's anyone at the top, I don't want to be out the breath camera at the top there. I'll go, time to kangaroo down sport. Get a didgeridoo. Oh! Found this gross spot up here. Well, I didn't find it. It's always been here, but I think I'll have a quick break in here. Chill out for 5. If worse come to worse, you could just throw your tarp over the top of here. Throw a tarp over the top of here and just toss down on one of these. Gross spot number 9. Number 9. So, I've just trekked across all that heather, got to this point, and I could have been coming down the crest to run. Oh, got it. That's muddy, but it doesn't sap you as much as heather. Well, according to this, I'm nearly there. I've only got 12 more metres of ascension, apparently. But as per, look at the state of it. Shift my finger. Well, apparently that's it. I'd hate to be the surveyor that had come and to measure the highest point there, because it is just. Oh, well, that looks a bit higher there. That looks a bit higher there. And this is it. Excellent. Jesus. Well, I hope this has given you an insight to how bleak it is up here on a dismal day. Right, point is stopping up here, heading back to the car. That's me just coming down out the clag. I'm probably level with Dunsmore now. I head all the way back over there. Not sure if that's thunder I can hear over there. It's more likely artillery fire up there. That ought to burn in the danger zone. We're making kind of good progress. Got an audience. Subscribe, please. Don't blame me. Look at this, man. Honestly, this has been the worst one. Like, it's just been a quagmire, wrapped in a swamp, wrapped in a bog, all the way down. And then you get to this, and you just know you're gonna go. And you gotta head all the way along there. All the way along there. Past them trees. Whew, best get cracking. That was definitely artillery fire over that way. It's more of a boom than a rumble of the thunder. Look at this. What you do to live here. This little log coming here. Hyperlapse. Oh, sorry about that hyperlapse. It was a bit of a sniper's nightmare walking over that last bit. Oh. Right. Carry on. Remember that walk by from the very first video? Well, not much further. We'll go over there to Lynn Hope, Spout, and then back up the horse road, and then that's off. I'd like to see this was later, but it's just been a slog this one. This one, been a hard slog like, but if I had a choice of doing this again, I'll start on the second series of watching YouTube, I'd do this one. The hips are hurting the daily, hips, knees. Little piggies went to market. This is still on the way. Right, I'm nearly at the North Spout. Just down here. And I'm nearly got the car. I think it's 11 o'clock. So it's took longer than I thought. But I'm nearly done. I had some hyper this morning. And I'd got to Hartside. I must have done what I've done today. So I left at 4 o'clock in the morning and we were back down the pass. Not for me. Not for me, laddie. Is it me, or do them clouds look like they're going higher and higher up from this point? Not floating across, just going higher. Absolute scorch of it the other day, like. Nearly done. Just gotta walk this little road here, and that's me done. And if you liked it, give that like a nudge. That helps us out more than you know. And as per usual, if you haven't liked it, subscribe. Push that notification bell to be the first to dislike future content. Oh, I cannot lie, this has took more out of us than I thought the day. I think it's because it's quite warm as well. I said it was 12 degrees at the car this morning at 7 o'clock, but it's a lot hotter than that now. So leave it there, and until next time, black screen and titles. Boom!